everyone, welcome back to the channel. And if you're a parent, you know the struggle. A house that seems to get dirty the moment that you clean it. Between pet hair, spilled snacks, and toys everywhere, it feels like it's a never-ending battle. What if I told you that there was a device that could handle that all, giving you the precious time with your family back? Today, we're taking a deep dive into the Dreame X50 Ultra Complete. This thing is the real deal. It's the world's first robotic retractable legs, but more importantly, it's designed to be the ultimate cleaning solution for busy families. For a busy family, time is everything. And the X50 Ultra Complete is designed to be completely hands-off. The all-in-one PowerDock takes care of everything from auto-emptying the dustbin to auto-refilling the water tank.
Mop pads installed. Start cleaning mop pads.
One of the biggest pain points is mop maintenance. This robot solves that with its AceClean DryBoard system. After a mop session, it cleans the pads with 80 degrees Celsius hot water. The washboard itself has an integrated design with 20 spray nozzles for self-cleaning process that leaves it spotless, so you don't have to.
Start charging. Start auto-empty. Start cleaning mop pads.
It swiftly clears dirty water away, preventing bad odors. Plus, it tackles the biggest headache for families, hair. The HyperStream Detangling DuoBrush is certified to clean 100% of tangled hair up to 30 centimeters long, meaning no more pulling hair out of the brush. A truly great robot vacuum needs to handle a chaotic family home. That's where the intelligence comes in. The X50 Ultra Complete features the ProLeap system with robotic retractable legs that prevent the vacuum from getting stuck on tricky thresholds or steps between rooms. It can also cross up to 6 centimeters double layer threshold and 4.2 centimeters single step, ensuring that it can clean your entire home without having to rescue it. It also uses a Versa lift navigation to get under low furniture like sofas and beds, where dust bunnies and crumbs love to hide. The vacuum has a powerful 20,000 PA suction, easily picking up debris like scraps of paper, cat litter, and dust. The Mop Extend Robo Swing technology also allows the mop to twist and clean into deep crevices and corners up to 4 centimeters away. When it detects a spill, the OmniDirt Detection technology 2.0 can differentiate between dry and wet stains. It even handles them differently. Beyond just cleaning, the robot provides an incredible peace of mind. Its Omni-Sensitive Obstacle Avoidance system can help identify up to 200 types of objects. This means it can safely navigate around scattered toys, shoes, charging cables. For parents with pets, it has dedicated features like pet finding mode, and it can even automatically avoid areas around pet food bowls and litter boxes. It also can avoid yoga mats, children's play mats to prevent them from getting wet. The X50 Ultra Complete also operates quietly, so you can run it during nap time or after the kids go to bed without disturbing anyone. With its intelligence voice control, you can give it simple commands without the internet connection. You can simply say, "Okay, Dreame, start mopping," to handle that post-meal spill. Hey, Dreame. Clean the bathroom.
Okay, start to clean the bathroom. Make sure the door is open.
That is just cool to me how it just turns around and directs its attention towards you. The Dreame X50 Ultra Complete is more than just a gadget. It's a partner for busy family life. It handles the constant mess and saves you from daily maintenance and navigates your home with an intelligence that gives you peace of mind. It's a powerful, intelligent, and truly hands-free solution. If you're ready to reclaim your time and put an end to the endless cycle of cleaning, this is a product for you. I'll put a link in the video description below where you can check out the Dreame X50 Ultra for yourself.